Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Capri. If you're new here, if you're not new here, hey girl, hey. So I told y'all in the last video I was gonna be back. I pulled right back up because I do have another wig from Luvme Hair. Y'all already know when you see this purple box, I'm about to hit y'all with a banger. So stay tuned because I'm going to be giving you all the ins and the outs of this ready to go water wave curly bob wig. So I'm gonna go ahead, open her up. You already know you have the iconic purple box, and like I said, I did unbox this wig already. This was the loose body wave wig with bangs. If you have not seen that video, go back and watch that, and come on back, girl. So let's get into her. We have our unit, and we'll get into that in a little minute. So yeah, let's put her to the side. We have a card about the all-day comfort wigs, about what that entails, because if you have not had a wig from the all-day comfort line, you are missing out. It is truly living up to the name of all-day comfort. You do get a little storage bag for your wigs. You get a little air freshener, 2 wig caps, and these are the HD wig caps, so it's super thin, super seamless. You don't have to worry about your cap showing through the wig. And you get your wig tint that you can put in your wig if you want to make it closer to your skin tone, but I am not using this today. I hardly ever use it, but I do like that they include this in there. And you get a clip, because if you're doing your makeup or whatever, you can go ahead, clip your hair back. I have a ton of these things because I'm always getting the Luvme Hair units in. So that is everything that comes along with it, but I already know what y'all here for. Y'all here for this, the unit, right? Okay, let's get into her. First things first, it does come with the net on there, so your hair and the curls are going to come protected. And like I said, this is a curly bob unit. Look at the curls already. Just look luscious. All right, you never get dry curls around here from Luvme Hair. I'm gonna go ahead and take this tag out in the back here, but it does come with a nice little tag, love me for you, and it gives you, you know, just a little info about their social media there, so you can follow them and be addicted to the wigs, because you gonna buy some more. If this is your first Luvme Hair unit, it would not be your last. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take the paper off the front, and look at that. Just look at that HD lace. This wig is 150% density. Oh, they also included the Luvme hairband in there as well. Now, this wig is 100% glueless, which means you can wear this with no spray, no adhesive. You can add in that band to make it even tighter so it can really fit your head shape, no matter if you have a smaller head or a bigger head, it don't matter. So this is what the lace is like. It is pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-cut. This is a very beginner-friendly wig, like I said. It does have a C-shaped part on the side that is fixed there, so you can't really change that part if you want to, because as you can tell, that is where the lace is on that side. So you can't change the shape of the part, but that's okay. Side part girlies unite. It also does come with combs on the sides for a little bit more hold. It comes with a comb in the back, and it does have the adjustable bands, the tabs in the back that you can adjust it with if you do not want to use the wig band. So you can use both if you want, or you could just use the adjustable band in the back here. Now, I like my wigs pretty tight, so I'm gonna go ahead and get it ready by adjusting it to the tightest loop that I can on the wig, because I just like, you know, that little bit of safety there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put mine there. And this wig does come in 2 other colors. It comes in this one is natural brown, but I believe it comes in a ombre brown and blonde highlights. So I already have my wig cap on. I'm gonna go ahead and get to putting her on to see what it's like without the wig band, to see if I need it. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to put on. Very beginner friendly. Like I said, it is pre-everything, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and pre-cut. And this is what it looks like up close. I may end up putting a little bit of spray just for a little extra hold there. And another thing, it's super comfortable around the ears. Some of those wigs out there, they're pressing against your ear. It's giving you so much pressure till you have a headache. This is not gonna do that, okay? The way that Luvme Hair constructs their ear tabs is amazing because it goes right around your ear and makes it super comfortable to wear all day long. This wig is 100% human hair. It is tangle free, so you don't have to worry about the hair tangling up on you and you have to throw it out really soon. No, it's gonna last for a minute, don't worry. Which also means it's 100% heat friendly, so you can put some heat on this hair. If the curls do kind of drop a little bit, just go ahead, pull your curling iron out and add a little more curls if you want to. I love how it's kind of got this asymmetrical thing going on here. The front pieces are a little bit longer than the back pieces, at least on this side right here, so you can cut that if you want to, but I kind of like it, so I'm gonna leave it just as it is. And you can have it more in your face, or you can pull it back to the side for a fuller look over here. Let me go ahead and show y'all what it looks like in the back. This is what it's looking like. And I don't even think I need that band. Like, I feel like this is super secure on my head as it is. Now, if I were going somewhere for, you know, a long period of time, I probably would put the band on just for a little bit more security, but I kind of like what it's doing here. I feel like this is a really quick, cute solution if you're running some errands and, you know, your hair may not be the best. Go ahead, throw a cap on and throw her on, and you're gonna look so put together. I'm loving that she is glueless because you do not have to worry about using any glue if you really don't want to. This is definitely going to be a new fave, especially with the temps getting a little bit warmer in the next few months. We have spring coming up, we have summer coming up. Nobody wants to deal with all that hair, okay? We're going to the bobs, the curly bobs to be specific, okay? I don't know, Luvme Hair, I don't know how y'all keep doing it, but it just gets better and better every single unit that I try on. It just levels up. I wish I could feel how soft, like, these curls are super soft. They're not crunchy. Oh my God, they're super bouncy. So I really don't see this like losing its curl anytime soon, but like I said, you can go ahead, use you a curling wand if you really do need to add some curls back into it. And I don't know why I said I was gonna use some spray, because I don't think I am. I think I just might cut this little part right here where the lace is, but other than that, I don't need no spray. Okay, it's super secure, it's not gonna come off. Yeah, love it, love that. So you all let me know down below what you think of this unit. I personally think no matter what your age is, this is a very appropriate wig. If you're more mature in your 40s and your 50s, heck, even into your 60s like my mom, I think you can appreciate this wig. Even if you're younger in your 20s, I think you can appreciate this wig as well, because it still has that youthful vibe to it with the asymmetrical cut right here. This wig would be really cute if you're doing like a little day date with your girls, you doing an activity date. You don't have to worry about the hair all down your back doing anything. It's at a nice appropriate little length. If you're wearing this to work, to a job where you have to be more like modest, or if you're working in customer service, yeah, grab it right now. I promise you, you will not regret it. But until next time, I will catch you beauties later. You already know, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.